Hey, what's up you guys? Jay Styles, all things Styles. Welcome to another video. If you guys are new here, subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget the notification bell. That way you guys don't miss my next video. And while you're at it, give it a thumbs up. That lets YouTube know you guys want to see more of this guy here. I appreciate that. So today's video is going to be a real quick one as the design is already cut and weeded. We're just waiting for our press to get to 305, which is the desired temperature, but we'll talk more about that once we're ready to apply the vinyl. Look at all these colors. Once again, Heat Transfer House is having a sale on select Siser products. You guys check the link in the description below. We're just waiting on our press to heat to 305. Okay, so our press has reached 305 temperature. The shirt we're using today is going to be from District. These are also available at Heat Transfer Warehouse. Want to make sure that you have your shirt centered on the platen. Always pre-press 3 to 5 seconds. Going to get any excess moisture out of your garment. Don't forget the lint brush. Especially when dealing with sublimation, it's going to be crucial to prevent those blue lines in your garment. The vinyl is going to be the Siser Metal. We're using the red today. Also, the link is in the description below. We've got our design here. We're going to be using our shirt ruler. These are also available at Heat Transfer Warehouse. And we're going to go 3.5 down from the collar, 3 to 4 fingers. It's going to be a 10-second press. This is also a cold peel, if I didn't mention that, by the way. So we'll go ahead and just turn our press off and let it cool down for a bit. And while that's happening, I ask you guys the question as always, how's it going? Check out these colors. Once again, link is in the description below. It's not bad. How funny. I forgot to read that part of my design. Anyway, happens to the best of us. This has been J Styles. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You guys be easy. More importantly though, you guys be kind. I'll catch you on the next one.